Draw Céline bag Part 1. Use a bucket bag template. Outline half using pencil. Use scissors tool to mirror and copy repeating elements. Adjust design to template following reference. Make a draft of logo first and then outline it. Color canvas with a watercolor brush, adding slight shift to light and shadow, and use a pattern to add texture. Color leather parts with solid tool. On top, add light and shadow with a flat marker using separate layers. Use dashed line to add stitching and a pen for touches of a deep shadow. Finish drawing logo and metal eyelets. Check Part 2 for side view and our YouTube channel for full process video.